people. Well, I haven't done a video in a while due to different reasons of procrastination caused by others and myself, of course. But as a quick little filler video, I want to transform this very standard and also extremely cheap shelving thing, into a cute little clothing rail, clothing rack, plant display combination, and for all my finished and unfinished well-wasted pieces and products. So this task might be a procrastination project at its finest as well, but I'm still telling myself that I need to do exactly this project to be more effective in finishing everything for the next shop update. This DIY will be a zero waste and also a $0 DIY. But enough talking. For now, let's just start. This project should not take me that long at all. I really want to finish it today actually, or tomorrow at the latest. Well, I'm just gonna start off by cleaning everything and deciding on how it'll all come together, because currently everything I want to do is just in there and I want to get it on paper, so let's go. I think this might have been the most self-explanatory DIY I have ever done, but still so useful. It's extremely cheap, it's practical, and it even looks dope as well. I'm basically almost done. I'll add some wood glue to secure those two pieces together. And also the final finishing touches I will add tomorrow, cause the glue needs to dry and the lighting right now is also really bad back here. So sleep well and see you tomorrow. Let's hang some more clothes and do the final touches. I honestly really like how this project turned out. It is actually very practical and I will always have a good overview of every project I'm currently working on so I can finish them without any of them getting lost in the studio. These pieces will all be available in my next shop update, which is hopefully going to be within a week after I post this video. But don't worry if you missed it when you're watching this. I will continuously have a lot of updates rolling out, and yeah. I also would like to mention that you can basically transform an endless amount of furniture and shelves into clothing racks or clothing rails or just racks for things in general. It doesn't even have to be clothing at all. Simply hang a rod in the corner of your room or between two shelves or from your ceiling, whatever fits your style. I also didn't have one wood stick, so I just used two halves, glued them together to make it round. But you could also just grab a free dead stick from nature and use that. It would probably even look cooler than this normal one. You also don't have to drill holes. You can just use your rope and knots to secure everything. So many options. I hope I inspired one or the other to make their version of this DIY as well. But that is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this quick DIY and I will see you in the next one.